Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove, actually I've already removed, but I'm going to show you the exact way how to remove this battery. Before you remove it, it's always attached to a seal here, and this port you see here, it's attached to some pins around here. So all you need to know is that you really need to insert them back the way it should be, looking upside down. This side should be down. So before it's here inside, so all you need to do, since it's here inside, you have two ways. You can use a very sharp thing to remove it from top or from below, depending on what you want to achieve. I'm sorry, like I've already removed everything here, but I'll show you exactly how to remove and how to insert them back. So you can use such a screwdriver here to remove it from below, from here, like you insert them, you make it like push it from above, or you can use another technique of just removing it from below. But whenever you remove it, it should be like this, the way you see it. Another thing that is very challenging is removing the battery. Sorry, these are Windows hard drive. I was using it in Macbook. I usually try everything that is possible for me. When it comes to Macbook, before you remove the battery, the battery is like this. Sorry, let me just attach it from below. So this the way the battery is attached. So all you need to do, there's this sorry, let me just check. There's this strap here. Let me see where the strap is. This strap, which is attached from this side here, which holds this hard disk from coming in and coming out. It's attached here. So all you need to do to remove the battery, you unscrew it. You should be having such an pack of screwdrivers for you to be able to remove all these screws here. So that, because these screws are different, they are so different, and all you need to do is just to know which screws are important. I'm sorry, I'm so messed up. Everything is just on the table, and so all you need to do is just remove all these screws from the sides, and once you remove it, it'll be able to come out. It has this stretchable thing that you can do. You can remove it. Let me show you a little bit. Sorry, it's a bit messed up here. So that's how you remove the battery. Then once it has this strap here, so all you need to do is just remove it from here. And once you remove it, so as you can see, all the other equipments are here. If you need to remove anything else, you just unscrew them. There are so many things here. There's a RAM, and there's a motherboard and stuff. My computer is just broken up, and I need to find a real solution to all these problems. So that is why I'm really trying to see what problem could be. The first problem I was trying to diagnose was to remove the computer was not coming up. So what I tried to remove is just remove the hard drive, remove the battery, and the two of them, and hopefully it's supposed to come up again. So here we are. I've already removed everything with me. So the other thing is just to make sure that it's just in place. So take care before this battery should not touch here inside, unless you want to attach it. So I want to remove. Let me just remove it again, because I should be inserting it properly. So first of all, what I need to do is just to reattach them again back the way it should be here. So you pin it again there, the way it should be, and then after that, now you're free to insert the battery again. Sorry if you use another method different from this. That's me being done with that. Then another thing is just to reinsert the battery again. I have so many batteries here, so they're confusing me. But the one that I want to use is this one. Yeah, so a couple of things. Then after that, I will be testing whether it's going to come up even before I unlock everything else here. And here we are. So it's fun just opening the MacBook. I've not opened this MacBook before. It's my first time, so I'm hopeful. I hope that I've not really damaged anything here. I've opened everything that can be opened in this computer. I've opened something that I should not even have opened up. I've opened up. I think I should remove the battery again. Here, the hard disk. Let me first of all unscrew here again. I need to reattach all these screws again back the way they were. So the hard disk, I don't even know why it was opening up. I don't know what I drank, but this is not a screw, I think. Let me try. If it's a screw that can, yeah, hopefully it's doing it. A good job here. So another thing. Sorry, these are not the magnetic ones. Like the ones you find in Windows. Sorry if you're a Windows man. Here we are in another level. So I also screw it back. When I say screw it back, I don't even understand what gets in your mind. It depends on your mind, if you're evil-minded. So yeah, I don't know why I was opening these screws. I'm sorry, I messed up all everything. Here I will. So here we are. Wow, that's a good sign that that's a screw rust there. Yes, I found it. So here we are. Sorry, phone. I lost my screen. Let's see how down. Yeah, so here we are. I don't know why this thing keeps falling back. I guess it is one. Okay, no worries. Let's continue with this. Make sure that whenever you are screwing these screws, they make them, you tighten them but not really. Make sure that you don't destroy the grip or the edges of the screws. So I'm hoping that it's going to start after all this stuff, because I opened even the places that I should not even have opened. Yep. There are so many screws here. I lost some part. You can still find them here. So I'm hoping that these screws are going to... I know I've mixed up all these screws here. I've really mixed them up, but that's alright. As far as they're fitting here, they will fit the other places they should have fit in. So after this, I'm going to and here we are. After this, I'll be needing this strap here, which goes here. See, here down is supposed to insert on these nuts here. It's going from some nuts here. So here we are. We should be getting it here. I don't understand why it's not coming through. So from here we're going to make it go down, and then Oh, that's good. This nut should go the inside, and depending on how good you are, that's how you if they don't go well, you can now switch back and see. Then boom. If they don't go back, switch the lens again, and they should be able to change. That has done on one side here, so let's see what that's going to show. That one, we fixed it. Check. That's us. This is how I fixed that computer, and yep, you can do it. If I fixed it, you can do it. Just depends on whether you like the computer to work or not. Yep, and yep, that's us done for now. If you have a problem, just let me know. It was not opening up before. It was bringing lots of problems, and it was not opening. And the only thing I just wanted to know, wanted to research whether this can, how it open up the Windows computer with this. So let's find out if this can open up with the Windows phone. But this is done on that way, and let's see whether it can open up with Windows computer. I'm really hoping that you've learned something out of this destruction. I destroy everything. I will destroy. If you watch my videos keenly, you see that I will destroy almost everything. And that's my life. I can destroy you, my viewer, as well. Yeah. So let's find out how it's going to open whether it's going to open with a Windows computer, because these are Windows hard disk here, and I have to see whether I can use that instead. And now, boom, moment of truth. I don't know how it's going to operate. Yeah. No, it can't open up. It's just showing a blank thing. I think it cannot override this Windows computer. So the only thing is just to use the, see here, it's showing that the operating system is not really recognized. But if you use the other one, the Windows Assistant, the boot assistant, they will be able to show up, and hopefully it can show up. So let me just power it off. Then this has done testing, but before I close it up, I have to make sure that I've tested it again and make sure that it's running. It's running. So I have to test it back again. That was here, and see, showing up. Okay.